Hello, in this video we're going to go through the steps to get the rest of our PMA utilities all set up and ready to go for any database we might need in future projects. In Ubuntu, we'll go ahead and open the terminal. In the previous videos, we installed much of what was needed to move forward with this next step. Enter in the command sudo mysql. It should open a new subterminal that allows you to submit commands specifically for MySQL. It appears I have a good installation still. We'll exit with Ctrl Z or type in the command exit and enter. Now we'll install some necessary libraries and utilities for PMA. Earlier we installed PMA as a base. We're going to build onto that with these packages. Enter in sudo apt install PHPMyAdmin, PHPMBstring, PHPzip, PHPGD, PHPJSON, PHP curl, followed by the -y to confirm the installation. This command will install and apply the utilities and libraries necessary for each pack. Through the installation, we will be prompted with what we want to install. We're running an Apache 2 web server, so we'll select Apache 2 with space and then hit Tab followed by Enter to proceed. Additionally, we'll be asked to configure the database or not. This is our first time running, so we will want to configure it. We'll click Yes. If you happen to run this again in the future, click No. Normally, the Apache config is copied to the PMA config directory. What we're going to do is make sure that the config was copied correctly, if at all, and enabled. Enter in sudo cp, then we're going to enter the directory etc phpmyadmin apache.config. We're going to copy that to etc apache2 config available phpmyadmin.config. This will paste all those values into the phpmyadmin.config. Then we're going to test if it's enabled with sudo a2enconf phpmyadmin. And finally we'll do sudo service apache2 restart to restart the service, but we'll also want to double check everything's good and running, so we'll do sudo systemctl status apache 2. Everything is green and good here. That's great. One more time, I'll check MySQL with sudo mysql. Everything's still good. That's good. That covers it. We went through all the steps to get our Ubuntu system online and running with a web server with its own domain name, a firewall for added security, PHPMyAdmin, which we can utilize for database construction, and we even built a demo page for our site. Thank you for watching this series on how to get started with your very own server. I hope you found these videos useful, and I'll see you in the next videos.